I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make a pink Himalayan salt body scrub that is amazing. So you are gonna be surprised at how easy it is to make. Without further ado, let's dive in and make it. Here's what you'll need: pink Himalayan salt, polysorbate 20, vegetable glycerin, hazelnut oil, cocoa butter, and your favorite fragrance oil. Each ingredient plays an essential role in creating the perfect scrub. We are going to start out by adding our cocoa butter and our hazelnut oil to a heat-safe container. Cocoa butter is an emollient that adds a luxurious texture to the scrub. Hazelnut oil provides lightweight hydration and is rich in essential fatty acids. And then we're going to go ahead and pop this into a double boiler. I use a saucepan with a little bit of water and a silicone mat, and we are going to heat it slowly until it's completely melted. Now that the mixture is melted, we're going to add vegetable glycerin to add moisture to our scrub. Next, we're going to add polysorbate 20. This helps the oils rinse off cleanly when you use the scrub without leaving behind a greasy residue. And we will give that a very good mix. And of course, the fragrance oil adds a lovely scent that really makes the scrub feel like a spa experience. I'm using sugared strawberry, but you can choose whatever scent you love the most. Now we'll mix in fine grain pink Himalayan salt. Super important that you choose fine grain because you don't want anything that's coarse that might harm the skin. Himalayan salt is rich in minerals and it is absolutely beautiful in this scrub. And then same thing, we're just gonna very carefully mix that in very well. It's gonna take you a minute to kind of get all of that mixed up. And just look at that texture. It is so amazing. Now, when you're using this, make sure that you don't introduce any water into the scrub because we don't have a preservative. So just put it into another container before you use it, or make sure you scoop it out with something that doesn't have any water on it. Store your scrub in an airtight container and use it whenever your skin needs some pampering. And that's it, your very own do-it-yourself pink Himalayan salt body scrub. I cannot get over how amazing the texture of this is. So to use your scrub, what you're going to want to do is apply it to damp skin, rub it in a circular motion, rinse it off, and then always be sure to apply a moisturizer immediately after using an exfoliating scrub. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making and using your pink Himalayan body salt scrub as much as I did. If you haven't done so already, be sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below. Also, just so you know, I do put the full recipe for this down in the description box below. I also put a link to my blog where I go more in depth about all of the ingredients, why we use them, and everything like that.